Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you see the reels that you have watched on Instagram, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in two different methods. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. Now since we're gonna be using the Instagram app for this process, of course, let's get something out of the way first. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram to find it right here. Make sure we have the app updated to the latest version to face no problems in this process and to make sure everything works properly in the app. After that, you can create the store. Now of course, let's go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's try to head out to the Reels section by tapping here in the bottom right corner on the Reels icon. Now once you go ahead and just start swiping down, let's say you want to find this reel that you have watched right now, and you keep scrolling down just like that. So I'm gonna keep scrolling and scrolling, and then you remember that reel and you want to check it out again. From here it's very easy. All you need to do is to go ahead and swipe up again until you find it. So this is the first method. It only works if you haven't closed your app completely. So you can even go ahead and minimize the app and keep it running in the background just like that. Open back Instagram and you find that reel ready for you. You can even go to the home screen on Instagram by tapping the home screen in the bottom left. You can go back to the reel section and you find that reel waiting for you right here. But you have closed your app and you want to find a reel that you have watched before, maybe yesterday or the days before. You can go to your profile by tapping here in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then from here, go ahead and tap on your activity. And then if you liked that reel specifically, you'll find it under the likes category. If you have commented on it, you find it under comments. And that is how can you basically find those reels. Now unfortunately, if you have not interacted with those reels, maybe liked or commented on them, there is no current way to find them. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.